tell you, it's 11:30.
Oh. Lunchtime? You get a long lunchtime?
I put out 6 minutes early on robotics. You know, once I had on work, so feel out those who finish your assignments out early.
Mm-hmm.
And I was let out 30 minutes early, so I get an extra half hour of lunch. So I spend an hour and 20 minutes of lunch.
Oh, you get a long lunch then.
Exactly. This doesn't happen on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, though.
Oh.
Do you know why?
Why?
Because those are different classes.
Oh.
No, I love my PE, robotics, and sometimes on math class, because if you finish early, you can, if you finish all your assignments in math,
Mm-hmm.
if it's a, Thursday, you finish all your assignments early on, if you finish all your assignments early on math on a Friday, then you can head out.
Oh, well that's nice. How lucky. But check this out. My new plant arrived.
Oh, good for you.
This is my third Thai constellation. It's a baby one.
That's your third one? Then it's not a new plant, because you already have one.
Well, I mean, it's a new one. I have another
Not
one.
used to your collection, though.
I have another Thai arriving next week too. That would be my fourth one. Ah, check this baby out. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. Nobody here appreciate plants like me. Look at the variegation on this. Absolutely gorgeous. Just beautiful.
Nobody
She
here.
is a stunning little cute tiny thing. My baby constellation.
Nobody here likes computers like me,
Well, of course.
or the use of online stuff, or games.
Uh-huh. And check this out. I am going to unwrap my anthurium warocqueanum. I think I just slaughtered that, but okay, let's just say anthurium queen.
Oh, it's not an ice cream, just so you know.
You having yourself an ice cream?
Yeah. I had like one cone a day.
Oh.
We're like maybe down to a quarter or third of box left. I don't know what it's called. Carton?
You're an ice cream eater. Check this one out for us. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at the leaf. Oh my goodness. That's stunning. Wow. I'm very, very happy. Look at that. Well packaged. Ah. How many leaves? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 leaves. This one is the biggest one. Looks to be about maybe 9 inches. And the second longest leaf is probably 8 inches. There she is. Let's see, I'm not sure about the roots on this. I don't really want to disturb anything. Oh, great roots so far. I don't know if you can tell, but right here, the roots right there. The roots looks fine, so I guess I'll just leave her in here and let her accumulate to my environment, and we'll pot her up in a week or two. Oh, I'm not sure what this one is. I think that's a new growth. I'm not very familiar with this here. I have a lot of learning to do. And then let's check the roots of the tie. Okay, I hope I am not hurting her. Root looks good. I see a tiny root right here. Yeah, I think that's it. A little bit right here. Okay, she looks good and healthy there. I'll just put her back in. Roots look good on both. I'm very happy with this week's purchase. I was gonna pot them up, but I guess I'll leave them here. Change my mind. I've got my pots all ready. I think this one's gonna be too big. These, I think this one's gonna be good for the tie. Yeah. Well, I went and bought these new ones a few days ago, so I knew my plants would be arriving today. Oh, that is gonna have to wait. And here's my other tie. I got this one when there was only 2 leaves. It was just this one and this one. And then this one grew right here. And now I have another one on the way. So beautiful. I love my ties. I have another bigger tie that is suffering some root rot, and I'm working on that one, trying to fix her. And we'll see how it goes. Anyways, that is it.